Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I took this nightstand from this to this. So I found this nightstand for $12.99 at a local thrift store. First thing I checked for was to make sure it was solid wood, make sure it didn't have any cracks, that the drawer actually worked, that the door actually opened. So I took my time with really picking out a good solid piece to transform. Alright, so after I cleaned it and started taking kind of a closer look, I did notice that there was quite a few little ding marks on here. As you can see, I need to fill these in because it will come through the paint and it won't give it a smooth finish, so I had to put some wood filler on it. And then I'm gonna have to sand it. So I ordered these gold legs for it. And the thing is if you notice, it has like two separate pieces of wood here. So basically, long story short, turn this the right way. If I put it on this outer edge one, even if this bolt was gone, if I put it on this outer edge one, it's gonna have this weird gap in between here. So what I'm gonna do is actually put the legs on the inner pieces. And then I don't have to worry about taking these out anyways, because it's gonna sit up higher with these. And then that way it won't have that weird gap in between as well. I'm not gonna add them until after I paint. That way I don't have to worry about getting paint on them. But I just wanted to see if they would even work, so that if I had to return them, I could do so quicker. Yeah, I think it's gonna look nice. So tomorrow I'm gonna get out here and sand some more where I put the wood filler, and then go ahead and start painting. The kind of paint that I want wasn't available at one of the stores I went to, so I might have to order it online, which is gonna push me back a few days. So the sun went down already, so you can't really see what the green looks like right now. I think it's gonna be a good green. The green that I wanted, rather. I'm gonna come out tomorrow and paint some more, but I just wanted to see if it was even the color that I wanted. I found some gold foil contact paper on Amazon that I really liked. I put it on the shelves as well as the drawer. Once I flipped this over, I discovered I had a bigger problem than the gaps. These bolts that you see on the side, they definitely had to come out in order for me to get the legs on, and that took quite some time. So once I got the bolts off, then I discovered there's a piece of wood that's like missing from the back area in order for me to get all 4 legs on there. So I just used a random piece of wood that I had. I found these super cute doorknob handles on Amazon and they went perfectly. Then once I was done with everything, I had to use a coat of the Polycrylic protective paint.